Oh, hi friends. As you can probably guess, my clutch is installed. Everything is back together. And just want to show you how buttery smooth this new transmission and clutch setup is. So, fire it up. Always have to go to first to get reverse, but watch this. Into reverse, that before would not happen. It would not go into gear. It would grind and then slowly, then it would go. Sometimes I would have to shut the car off, put it in reverse, and then go. So now...
So in other words, it was busted.
Oh, she was busted. So look, we're going backwards. Into first, which that was not happening either.
So
that was a fight too sometimes.
So in other words, it was real busted.
Oh, she was real busted. So, watch this. It goes through... What? Wait for
Check
it.
the shift.
Second gear.
Oh.
Third gear.
Oh, beauty.
Fourth gear.
Way too low.
Fifth gear.
Way too low. But the concept is
It
works.
Ooh, let's drive towards the beautiful sunset, shall we?
Oh.